All right, let us quickly solve this Olympiad mass problem. He said we should evaluate or simplify 40 raised to power 40 divided by 20 raised to power 20. Right? This is a very simple question. So what you do is, we know that 40 is the same thing as saying 2 times 20, right? 2 times 20, all raised to power what? 40, okay? All over what? Um, all over 20 raised to power 20, okay? So now looking at this, I'm going to have separate it. Is going to be 2 raised to power 40, okay, times 20 raised to power what? 20 raised to power 40, then all over 20 raised to power 40. Now, according to indices, remember, if the base are the same thing, we can subtract the power. So this is 20 raised to power 40, okay, times, this one is now uh 20 raised to power 40 minus 20. So this is now 20 raised to power 40 times, this is now 20 raised to power 20. Okay? Because 40 minus this will give you 20. Now, the next thing we try to do is we'll bring in, now, we can make this one to be in terms of 20 as well. Okay? So this is going to be 2 raised to power 2 times 20, okay, then times 20 raised to power 20. Okay, now 2 raised to power 2 is 4, so this is 4 raised to power 20 times 20 raised to power 20. Now, according to indices, if the power are the same thing, we can factorize to become 4 times 20 now raised to power what? 120, like 20, like this. Okay, that is according to indices. Now, this time this will give you what? 80. So the answer is what? 80 raised to power what? 20. Very simple. So thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.